alamin kung sino na ang naguli. Eto po, gusto muna po namin pasalamatan ng Snow Glutathione, Aficionado, Gold Gym, Lumi Skincare, and Cosmetic Surgery, Nagaraya and Nicole Shoes, TCY Catering, Radkis Tomas Morato, SMC Home Builders Incorporated, at kami, Hotel Carrasco, Bahay Bakasyonan sa Camiguin, Club Morocco at PCSO, and of course, Limket Kai. Well, thank you so much. Wow, fabulous na!
Ang dami mo sponsor!
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng yan.
Okay, pero siyempre, bago ang lahat ulit, kasama natin ang White Castle Girl 2007, ang pinagpapantasa ng mga kalalakihan.
Lahat ng kalalakihan.
Si kanina ka pa naririnig kita sa backstage, pero siyempre ako kinakabahan ako kung sino naman mapipili dun sa dalawang naggagandahang kababaihan dun sa stage. Nako, ito na, pinakaabangan ng lahat. Yes.
Pero after being the White Castle Girl for 2007, wala na ba yung dating Roxanne, yung sweet and shy?
Ang laki na natulong sa ng White Castle. Ngayon, mas confident na ako. Alam ko na kung anong dapat kong gawin. Diba, Tizonel?
Yes. At kung anong gusto mo sa mundong ito.
Yes. Sama ka dyan, si Maria.
At natauhan ka sa ayaw mo.
Yes. Okay, dahil nawawala na tayo, gusto ko lang ibalik tayo dito sa White Castle. Our top 2 Castle Girl finalists, we witnessed them bloom from sweet girls into charming and confident ladies.
Yes, at tulad nung nakita natin, without a question, napahanga tayo sa kanilang ganda at kasexihan, di ba, Joros?
That's right. At isa sa kanila ang susunod na White Castle Girl at makakasama ng celebrated castle ladies of the previous years tulad nila Tekshi Agbayari, Lorna Tolentino, Carmi Martin, Glide Del Mercado, and of course the very beautiful Miss Roxanne Ginoo.
Yes.
Giving their final bikini walk, here are Java and Jack.
Assisted by Aaron Al.
Let's not keep everyone waiting.
Ito na, pinangaantay.
Yes, ito na yun. The next White Castle Girl will be announced by Mr. Ernie Lopez and Mr. Julius Limpe. The results will be handed to them by Mr. Francis Ablalate, Partner Audit and Assurance Division, Punong Bayan and Aurelio.
Okay guys, this is it.
Wala. Sino kaya?
The next White Castle Girl is Miss Gemma Catura.
Yes, congratulations, Gemma. You're the next White Castle Girl. Yes, John. Bagong pantasya ng bayan. Okay, she will ride a horse. She will star in the new White Castle commercial. She will shine in the coming White Castle billboards and print ads.
Yes,